Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have an Ibotta haul for you. So if you want to see what I got and how much everything costs, just keep watching. So this is everything I got in this transaction, but I'm going to go through and break it down item by item for you. So the first thing we picked up was this Cascadian Farm organic granola cereal. At my Walmart, this is $3.28. Ibotta has a rebate for half off. They're giving back $1.45. It's not actually half for me, but it may be at your store. No matter what the price is at your store, you're going to get back $1.45 for this. So after rebates, I got this box of cereal for just $1.83. And what I love about this rebate is people say you cannot coupon for healthy or organic things, and this just shows you, yes you can. Next I picked up this Smucker's squeezable fruit spread. It's $2.42. Ibotta is giving back $2.54, making it completely free, plus a 12-cent moneymaker. The next thing I picked up was this Nestle Splash flavored water. They're a 6-pack. I got 2 of them. They are $1.67 each. That's $3.34 for the both of them. Ibotta is giving back 75 cents when you buy 2. That makes your new total $2.59 for 2 of them. That makes it just $1.29 each 6-pack, or 21 cents per bottle. One good thing about couponing is you never have to pay full price to try a new item. These are the Always Z period underwear. Don't know what that's about, but they have a 3-pack for $3.97 at Walmart. These give me the Depends silhouette vibes. I don't know. I think they're basically the same thing. And Ibotta has a $2 back per box that you buy. So with the house full of girls, you know we're going to try that out. So after the rebate, it makes it $1.97 a box. So you may notice in the picture I showed you before, the 7-count box was $6.94. If you buy 3 of these and redeem your thing to Ibotta 3 times, it would only be $5.91, and you will get 9 instead of 7. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is Ibotta. If you download Ibotta, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. Ibotta has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from Ibotta, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. This deal right here is actually a Fetch Rewards deal, but I want to throw it in because it's a huge moneymaker. So you're going to pick up one of these boxes of the 2-in-1 liners for $5.46 at Walmart. Then you're going to head over to coupons.com and print off a $3 off 1 package of One by Poise products. So with that coupon, you're going to pay $2.46 out of pocket at Walmart, but then you're going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get 5,000 points back for buying the product, and you're going to get 24 points back for the $2.46 you spent. So that is $5.02 you'll get back, making this a $2.56 moneymaker. But if you're new to Fetch Rewards, use my referral code VRYQQ. You'll get an additional $2 back, making it a $4.56 moneymaker. Okay, back to the Ibotta deals. We're going to pick up one of these Snuggle InWatch scent boosters, the bags of them. It's kind of shoved back there in the middle. They're $3.97. First, we have this $2 off 1 InWatch scent booster paper coupon from the 718 save insert. That's going to drop that $3.97 price tag down to $1.97. Then we're going to submit it to Ibotta. We're going to get $1 back, making it just 97 cents for this bag of InWatch scent boosters. and that is a price you just cannot beat. Next, we're going to pick up one of these Clarity Smart Waters. They're $1.58 and super easy peasy. Ibotta's giving back $1. Makes this bottle just 58 cents. Okay, these next few items I forgot to get screenshots of, so we're going to work with what I have. The macaroni and cheese, they're 98 cents a piece. On Ibotta, there is a 35 cents back per box with a limit of 5. So I picked up 5 for $4.90. Ibotta gave me back $1.75. Makes each box just 63 cents a piece. Next, I picked up the Color Sense tall kitchen bags. They're $6.48. Ibotta has a $2 back rebate, so that makes these 40 trash bags just $4.48. Anytime I can find a deal on trash bags, I take it, because you do not get deals on trash bags very often. Now, the next thing I picked up were these Chobani Flip yogurts. They're $1.22 each. Ibotta has a rebate for BOGO buy 2 get 1 free. So if you pick up 3 of them, you'll get $1.22 back from Ibotta. Makes these just 81 cents a piece. Next is this 3-bar pack of Yardley body soap. These are $2.47. Ibotta's given back 50 cents on a 3-pack, which makes these just $1.97. And last, I picked up these Pure Protein Lemon Cake protein bars. These are regular $6.94. I don't have any rebates for them, but they were on clearance for $2. I picked up one so I could bring it home, see if we liked them, and if so, I'm gonna go back and get the other ones. Because after I got home, I noticed there's a $2 off 1 box in the 8-1 save insert. So with that coupon, these would be absolutely free. So check your clearance section. Now, most of you probably already know, but if you go to Ibotta.com and you look for this back to school free for all, click get the extension. It's going to add it to your Chrome. You got to do this on the computer. And see these items here? You can get these items for absolutely free. I already did this. The Smucker's jelly I got today was part of this that I wasn't able to get last time because it was all out, but it's got peanut butter, jelly, bread, pencils, erasers, notebook, Kleenex, yogurt cups. There's a ton of stuff. So you're just going to download the extension, then you're going to find and add the offers. Just hit activate when you see the free for all. But I'm sure many of you already knew about it. I just wanted to throw it out there for those who might not have known. And again, if you are not signed up for Ibotta yet, you should sign up and use my referral code rwoenvt. And when you scan your first receipt, you'll earn a $10 bonus just for using my referral code. The good thing about Ibotta is you actually get cash back from them. So after you scan your receipts, you can actually withdraw your money straight into your bank account. There's a ton more Ibotta offers that I didn't do today at Walmart. Honestly, I just got tired of dealing with the people, so I had to go. But Ibotta has a ton of offers you can go through. People always ask me, how do you save money on groceries? This is how. Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, use the Rebate app. If you have any questions about Ibotta or Fetch Rewards, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to answer you. I want to thank you all for taking the time to come by and watch my videos. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And it's a free way to help your girl out. And as couponers, we love the word free. Thanks again for coming by. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.